How to open BBVA bank account. To open BBVA bank account, follow these steps. First, open the app. Scroll down and click on Create User. Then fill the information they need. Type your name, your first surname, your second surname if you want. Then give them your email address. Then type your DNI, NIE, or TIE number. It will be your username. Then click on I have read and accept the terms and condition. Then click Continue. Then create a password for your BBVA account. Then click on End. Then click on Login to BBVA. Then click on Become a Customer. Then log in using UNIF, NIE, ID, or passport number and login password. Then connect your banks. And your account is ready to go. Thanks for watching.